Mufti Sahib, what is the ruling with regards to splashes when using a high toilet?
Relieving oneself in the squatting position is sunnah. Therefore, one should use an eastern toilet. If for whatever reason one is using a high pan, a western toilet, and you are light built, then it will be better to squat by placing your feet on the toilet seat. It's important to ensure that one cleans the seat after doing this to avoid inconveniencing others. However, if you are heavy in build and unable to squat on a high pan, then after ensuring the toilet seat is clean, you may sit on the toilet seat. Take care to avoid the splashes of water or urine touching your body by placing some tissue in the water of the pan and pouring water slowly when making istinja. If splashes of impure water touch the body, it should be washed off. If impure splashes touch the clothing and the soiled area of the clothing is equal to the size of the inner palm of one's hand or less, it's not advisable to perform salah while wearing such clothing, although the salah will be valid. If the soiled area is more than the size of the inner palm of one's hand, then one cannot perform salah without washing or changing the clothing.